Bagyong Basyang maglalandfall mamayang gabi sa silangang Mindanao, maghanda. Patuloy ang paglapit ng sentro ng bagyong #Basyangfi sa silangang bahagi ng Mindanao at inaasahang maglalandfall mamayang gabi. Bahagyang lalakas pa ang bagyo bago ito tumama sa lupa, kaya pinapayuhan ng publiko na maghanda sa posibleng malalakas na ulan at hangin na dala nito. Nakataas pa rin ang Tropical Cyclone Wind Signals (TCWS) sa ilang bahagi ng Visayas at Mindanao, partikular sa Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 2, Gale Force Winds. Visayas, Siquijor, southern portion of Negros Oriental, Dumaguete City, San Jose, Valencia, Bacong, Amlan, Dawin, Sibulan, Zamboanguita, Shaton, City of Tanhay, Pamplona, Santa Catalina, Bai City, Manhuyod, Bindoy, City of Bayawan, Basay, Mabinay, Ayungon. Southern portion of Cebu, Samboan, Malabuyok, Oslog, Hinatilan, Alegria, Dalaguete, Boljoon, Alcoy, Santander, Argao, Badian, Mualbual. Southern portion of Bohol, Bilar, Gindulman, Antequera, Sevilla, Lubok, Tagbilaran City, Maribohok, Pilar, Hagna, Lila, Corelia, Loon, Dimiao, Candihay, Alburquerque, Anda, Dawis, Sikatuna, Baclayon, Batuan, Loay, Valencia, Garcia Hernandez, Carmen, Panglao, Duero, Cortez, Balilihan, Sierra Bulyones, Katigbian, San Isidro, Calape, Mabini, Alicia. Mindanao, Surigao del Norte, including Siargao and Bucos Grande Islands. Surigao del Sur, extreme northern portion of Davao Oriental, Boston. Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Misamis Oriental, northern portion of Bukidnon, Impasugong, Manolo Fortich, Malitbog, Sumilaw, Libona, Baungon, City of Malaybalay, Cabanglasan. Northeastern portion of Lanao del Norte, Iligan City. Northeastern portion of Misamis Occidental, Baliangao, Claridel, Lopez Haina, Oroquieta City, Calamba, Aloran, Panaon. Camiguin, warning lead time, 24 hours. Lakas ng hangin, 62 hanggang 88 km per hour. Epekto, minor hanggang moderate na banta sa buhay at ari-arian. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 1, strong winds. Luzon, northern portion of Palawan, Taytay, El Nido, Dumaran, Araceli. Including Calamian, Cuyo, and Cagayan-Silio Islands. Visayas, southern portion of Eastern Samar, Giwan, Salcedo, Mercedes, Giporlos, Balanghiga, Lawaan, Kinapundan, General MacArthur, Hernani, Llorente, Balangkayan. Southern portion of Samar, Marabot, Basay, Santa Rita. Biliran, Leyte, southern Leyte, rest of Bohol, rest of Cebu, rest of Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, Guimaras, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Mindanao, Dinagat Islands, northern and central portions of Davao Oriental, Katiel, Baganga, Caraga, Manay, Tarragona, Lupon, Banay-Banay. Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, northern portion of Davao del Sur, Davao City, rest of Bukidnon, northern portion of Cotabato, Carmen, Banisilan, Alamada, President Roxas, Antipas, Arakan, Magpet, Matalam, Cabacan. Lanao del Sur, northern portion of Maguindanao del Norte, Buldon, Barira, Matanog. Rest of Lanao del Norte, rest of Misamis Occidental, eastern and central portions of Zamboanga del Norte, Mutya, Piñan, Polanco, Dipolog City, Dapitan City, Sibutad, Rizal, La Libertad, Labason, Kalawit, Liloy, Salog, Bakungan, Sindangan, Jose Dalman, Manukan, Prez. Manuel A. Roxas, Katipunan, Sergio Osmeña Sr., Siayan, Godod, Tampilisan, Gutalak. Northern and central portions of Zamboanga del Sur, Bayog, Kumalarang, Lapuyan, San Miguel, Gipos, Dinas, San Pablo, Dumalinao, Pagadian City, Tigbao, Lakewood, Dumingag, Mahayag, Molave, Josefina, Tambulig, Aurora, Ramon Magsaysay, Suminot, Midsalip, Labangan, Tukuran. Northern portion of Zamboanga Sibugay, Kabasalan, Diplahan, Naga, Titay, Ipil, Buog. Warning lead time, 36 hours. Lakas ng hangin, 39 hanggang 61 kilometers per hour. Epekto, minimal, hanggang minor na banta sa buhay at ari-arian.